Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're making some watermelon jellies. These are a perfect summer treat or to pack into lunch boxes when your kids go back to school. I think that would be so pretty and everyone else can be like totally jealous. So let's get started. So first you want to pour 1.5 cups of water into a large pot. Sprinkle some gelatin onto the surface of the water and allow it to develop for 5 minutes. Then set the pot to medium-high heat and whisk until the gelatin has fully dissolved. And yes, I have moved and I don't have a little portable stove anymore, so I am fake mixing it right now. But yes, so bear with me. I will have a stove very soon. Once the gelatin is fully dissolved, remove it from the heat and add some condensed milk and stir until well combined. Add some milk, vanilla extract, and watermelon extract and mix well. And I'll link the watermelon extract down below if you want to pick it up, as well as the quantities to this recipe in case you want to make it. Then prepare 3 bowls and pour 1 cup of jelly mixture into each bowl. Dye the mixtures green, black, and leave the remaining bowl white. Then dye the larger amount of jelly pink. Spray a 9-inch round baking dish and a small bowl with cooking spray. Then you want to pour the black jelly into the small bowl and place it in the fridge. Pour the green jelly mixture into the round baking dish and chill it in the fridge for 20 minutes or until it's firm. Then pour the white jelly on top of the green layer and return it to the fridge to set again for about 20 minutes. Then pour about 1 cup of pink jelly on top and again return it to the fridge. Once the black jelly has set, cut it up into little cubes. Sprinkle it into the baking dish, and by this time the unused pink jelly should have partially set, so it looks kind of like lumpy and weird. So you want to spoon that into the pan, reserving about a cup or so. And so this is going to make it so that when you slice the jellies at the end, it will look like the little black pieces are floating. So the weight of the partially set jelly, pink jelly, will hold the black jellies down so that they don't float when we do the next step, which is heat the remaining pink jelly either on the stove again or just pop it into the microwave until it's liquid and pour it back into the baking dish. It's gonna fill in all the little crevices, and I didn't melt as much as I needed to, so the top of mine looks a little bit bumpy, but if you melt about 1 cup, it should cover the entire surface and you should have a flat surface for your jelly. Then transfer the baking dish to the fridge and chill for about 3 hours. Gently pull the edges of the jelly away from the sides of the pan, then turn it out onto a plate and then flip the jelly again over with another plate so that the pink layer is on top. Then just slice it into wedges and you are done. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you liked this recipe. If you're looking for other watermelon themed recipes, I have a playlist and I will link it down here for you so you can check it out and take some more inspiration. I made some watermelon fudge a couple years ago, as well as watermelon punch and watermelon little like Japanese style dumplings. So there's a ton on this channel. I also have a watermelon cheesecake. Either it went up in the last video or it's going to be the next video. So it's coming soon. So either stay tuned or it will be linked down below. But yes, I love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next video.